party people, welcome to my channel. I have October's Glossybox to share with you guys. I know it's late, but I wanted to present it anyways. It's been collecting dust. I'd like to know what they sent me. BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription service. It comes from the UK. It is also a sister company to Look Fantastic. They generally send deluxe size samples, but sometimes you do get a full size. And it works similar to the other subscription services in the way in which it sends you things to try. It will provide you with detailed information about that product. You generally get a referral link. I think I have one. If I do, it'll be in the first comment box below for you to utilize if you'd like to sign up for the service. There is a monthly, a 3-month, I think a 6-month, and maybe an annual. If you sign up using the promo code, the percentage off will apply to any tier. So I do like that about Glossybox. It's not just for month to month. It goes across the board of whichever frequency you select. This is what it looks like in the inside when you take the lid off. Now, it don't ship in this. Excuse me. There is an outer box. It's polka dot and black and white. This booklet will expand and open up to like an 8x11, and that's where you'll find the information about the product. You have a bow tie and a tissue paper type of, unwrapping. And you do get a little sticker, and it's just placed wherever to try to keep put the seal on it and keep things, secret, keep it safe until you get into the box. Ooh, that's what's in here. That's how it looks. Let's grab and go, folks. So the first thing I picked up, let me get the book because the book tells me a little bit more about the company and its retail value. Now, this company I see a lot in others boxes, like other company boxes on other channels. So I've seen Bella Paris Cosmetics before. I may have something in the collection from them. Not 100% sure. This is a Pro Contour palette. Full size as featured. So this is a full size product, or full size value is $50. This is a color correcting. It is a well-known makeup artist tactic to banish imperfections through use of color that cancel each other out, excuse me. And with this palette of color correcting concealer, you say goodbye to imperfections till your nighttime routine. So this is something that you would use in your makeup application. This would come in the stage of after you've moisturized, then you've primed, then you would color correct prior to if you still want to use a concealer thereafter, and then your foundation. If I can get the thing open, I promise you folks. Let's see. Here we go. So there it goes. It does have a mirror, so you could travel with this and sit at a little vanity or desk in a hotel, or I don't know, at your sister's house somewhere, grandma's, and on a nightstand, and still be able to apply your makeup. Green, peach, and like a nude. I'm trying to think. I think green is for redness, to cancel out redness and things like that. Now, I would say it don't really tell you here. It just says tip. If you don't know which color to use, that's fine. This palette has a color wheel to help figure out the perfect opposite of decoloration. Now, you guys just saw me open this and I don't see it. But there you go. We're going to move on from this. Peach. Peach is for like blue. So how blue is under some people's eyes or something like that. You can always Google it. Let's keep it moving. We have some John Masters, and this is a geranium and grapefruit body milk and body wash duo. This is a 60 milliliter, each bottle. That's what the size of it is. Full size of these guys would be $48. It don't tell me if it's $48 each or if you bought the full size duo, if it's $48. It says just because summer is gone doesn't mean you can't smell like the season. The geranium flower to soothe and tone, and the grapefruit to help balance and refresh. This body duo will lock in the summer glow even when the temperatures drop. Tip, whether you shower or bathe, make sure you're not boiling yourself in intense heat. It can lead to bad skin irritation, especially in frigid weather. Well, here in South Florida, it's frigid, all right. It's more rigid than anything because it doesn't change from being hot all the time. That is this channel's gripe. I do not like that we don't really in South Florida. So if you get like Orlando area going north to Tallahassee, they do get to experience a little bit of a season change, but not that much. The more up north you go, you feel it a bit more because you're leading now into Georgia. But pretty much Kissimmee and Orlando all the way down to the Keys, no. We don't know nothing. But just hot, hot. Ooh, that song, feeling hot, hot, hot. Let me stay focused. Let's smell this geranium and, well, it don't smell like much. It doesn't make me say ooh or ah. But hey, product number 2 and 3. Product number 4 is a product called 417 Time Control. This is a firming radiant mud mask. Minus 417. This is a firming radiant mud mask. The featured size here is 20 milliliters. The full size value of this is $39. This is a dual action 2-in-1 exfoliating and nourishing mud mask. It's based on a unique blend of the rich Dead Sea mud that deeply cleanses the skin, absorbs excess oil, and all traces of impurities. So while your skin is gently exfoliated, your skin dead cells are buffed away and your fresh skin is nourished. Okay, we got 2 more things to go over. The next thing we have here is Skin & Co. And this is Aroma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gomage. Gomage. This is a 30 milliliter in size. The full size value is $28. And the purpose of this product is a delicate exfoliating cream. This face gomage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and a unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract. A powerful free radical scavenger, man, that reduces the signs of aging. It is coming for the lines and the wrinkles. The tip with this product is, with the focus on regimens trending, order is important. Exfoliate after using your cleanser or cleansers and before you use your toner or sheet mask. So that is its placement in your skincare steps. And we have one more product. And I think I just got a lipstick from somebody in September. And it was a very nice lipstick. I want to say Ipsy, from the same company. Elamusk, something like that. This is a mini Hydra Veil. The size of this product is 7 milliliters. The full size value of this product is $35. And the purpose of this product is a gel, a hydrator, and a primer all in one. Say hello to my little friend. No, these people did not say that. That's just me. Say hello to the smoother skin with this self-leveling, futuristic, clear gel, microalgae, vitamin C, B3. Let's see here now. B3 works together to help maintain the skin hydration levels, creating a healthy looking, balanced finish. Tip, never ever skip primer. If you're applying makeup, it helps the makeup last longer. It smooths the skin surface and it evens out the skin tone. So that's the box. I'm going to pop it out of here. And this is what it looks like. So very much like a Doris Duke type of thing. It makes me think like this little thing would be on a vanity like that. And then it's got this really jello gel looking texture. Let's put a little bit here. I just washed my hands, so let's see. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna rub it in. It's cool. It feels like what a gel would feel like. It's got like a water-esque kind of feel. It's gentle. It's soft. It's got a light, nice, fresh spa floral fragrance. And that's what it looks like once I rubbed it in. So the coat, it's now got a velvet, it's starting to feel velvety smooth. Yeah, when am I using this after, you know, a nice clean, cleanse and masking and all that hoo-ha. And see, I could see a foundation laying on top of this nicely, guys. I'm really liking how my hand is feeling. So that's Glossybox. I want to say this is box number 3. I think I may renew for another 3 more months if I've reached that point. I honestly don't know. I've been enjoying it. I feel like I paid under $60 for 3 months, and each box I walk away with at least 2 to 3 things that I absolutely use myself, and then the other stuff can carry over to a giveaway or a gift. So yeah, man, holla at a player. Like I said, I believe I have a referral link. I'll go on the site, dig it out, and put it somewhere in the comment box. If you don't see it right away when I upload the video, always come back a little bit later, because I've been found the time in the day to place it either in the description box or the comment section. I'm fixing to get out of this video, you guys, so that I can get Ipsy recorded, because even though I'm sitting in a nightshirt, my clothes is right there on top of the sofa. I've been to work. I did a half a shift. I had to go to the doctor. It's time for my annual breast. I encourage you ladies to do the same. So I had to get a referral for that and a couple of other things. So I have a hair appointment, and so I said, you know what? I'm going to come home and take 3 hours to myself and kind of wind down, because I've been up since 4 a.m. I appreciate you guys coming over here, watching my videos. I appreciate the consistency in a lot of my viewers. I see people like Kayla, Miss Barbara, the Purple Wall, Alex, Miss Vicky, Miss Sylvia, and different, Sophia, if I'm saying it right, or Sophie. And there's a few other ladies, and it really does. Even if you just put a little emoji, it just kind of let me know you're there and you're real. And my little 40 views or 60 views, it's some folks out there that really do enjoy the channel, and I appreciate it. Have a blessed day, everyone. Peace.